Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to evaluate logarithms. At the end of the video, you are expected to be able to evaluate logarithms. Let's begin with the definition. It says here, if b and y are positive where b is not equal to 1, then the logarithm base b of y is defined as logarithm base b of y is equal to x if and only if b raised to x is equal to y. Based on this definition, we can therefore conclude that solving a logarithm, you could actually convert it into exponential equation and then proceed with the steps in solving exponential equation, which is you find like base, and if you found like base, you can cancel like base, write the equation of the exponent, and solve for the variable. Let's have an example. Evaluate the expression logarithm base 3 of 81. To begin, you can write equal x on the right side of the logarithm problem, and then convert the logarithm equation into exponential. So here we can write it base 3 to the power of x is equal to 81. That should be your exponential equation. And then you just proceed, find like base and solve for x. There is no way that we can simplify further 3, therefore we are going to find what value of 81, which is having a base of 3 to the power of a number. Actually, it's 3 to the power of 4. And now obviously they are like base, 3 and 3. So we can just cancel 3 and 3. To solve for x, we just cancel 3 and 3, and we found right away your value of x. X is equal to 4. Therefore, the logarithm base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. That means 3 is multiplied 4 times to itself. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and it is equal to 81. Let's have another example. Evaluate the expression logarithm of base 8 of 512. Same steps, write equal x on the right side, convert to exponential equation. It should be 8 raised to x is equal to 512. And so actually 512, we are going to solve for it now. We are going to find like base, and so 512 must be powers of 8. It's actually 8 cubed. 8 to the power of 3 is 512. Cancel 8 and you found your x. X is equal to 3. Looks easy, right? There's more examples. Let's have number 3. Evaluate the expression of logarithm base 6 of 1296. I know the number is quite big, but let's just do it. Write equal x on the right side, convert to exponential equation. It should be 6 raised to x is equal to 1296. We are now going to find like base. Actually 1296 is 6 to the power of 4. And then you just cancel your 6, which are the like bases, and so you found the value of x. X is equal to 4. It means 6 multiplied to itself 4 times is equal to 1296. Let's have another example. Evaluate the expression logarithm base 1/2 of 8. Write x on the right side, convert to exponential equation. So it's a little different this time. You have 1/2 raised to x is equal to 8. We're going to find like base. We can actually rewrite 8 into 2 cubed. To make them the same, we can make 2 into 1/2, and since we flip 2 into 1/2, the 3 becomes negative. Why do we need to turn 2 into 1/2? So that it will be like bases. But once you flip a number into a fraction 1 over the number, the exponent becomes negative, because that was the law. And it's now very clear we have like base. Cancel your like base and your x is equal to -3. Okay, to make sense of it, we go back to the problem, but it's very difficult to explain it from here. In the end, we can explain better if we take the exponential form. 1/2 raised to -3, which is the value of x, is equal to 8. We are going to transform 1/2 into +2, and since we flip it, the exponent becomes positive. And now it's very clear 2 cubed is equal to 8. 2 times 2 times 2. It's a little difficult at first because we are not used to logarithms, but you'll get used to it. Just try and you will get used to solving logarithms. Let's have one more example. This is the last one. Evaluate the expression logarithm base 4 of 1 over 64. In the previous problem, the base is the fraction. This time, it's the number is the fraction. First step, write equal x on the right side. Convert into exponential. This will become 4 raised to x is equal to 1 over 64. And so, if we are going to look for like base, 64 is actually 4 cubed. 4 times 4 times 4. So 1 over 4 cubed. They are still not like base. It should be a whole number 4. Remember the flipping? If we flip this 1 over 4 into 4 over 1, the exponent becomes negative. And so it's very clear they are like base. Cancel your like base. X is equal to -3. This means 4 to the power of -3 is equal to 1 over 64, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, and if the exponent is negative, it becomes 1 over 64. Okay, and that's how you evaluate logarithms. You can watch the video again and see which problems are similar to the examples, and hopefully you can now solve or evaluate logarithms on your own. Thank you.